The single biggest contributor to student success in our Nanodegree programs is time commitment. The first Nanodegree graduate at Udacity didn't have any prior experience. He simply worked hard and put in time consistently, making his Nanodegree a part of his daily and weekly schedule. The timeline you're operating on assumes that you'll work on your Nanodegree program for 12 hours a week. Since many students have a lot of other things going on in their lives, like jobs, families, or other big commitments, it's really important to block out time on your calendar every week for your Nanodegree program. While binge working works well for some people, the most successful Udacity students work on their courses and projects multiple times a week, not just in one big chunk. And a 12-hour chunk would be really exhausting. Learning and working at a scheduled time helps what you're learning stick better since you're thinking about it more frequently. On top of that, working at about the same time each week can really be helpful because after you do it for a few times, it really just feels like second nature. So I want you to go to your calendar right now and schedule recurring study times. Remember to plan for possible delays and long debugging times, and make sure to give yourself enough time for the project planning stage. That way, you can decrease stress and stay on track.